Good morning again, video number 2. So I'm gonna skip down now from last night's homework to number 19. Kind of the same scenario where you're gonna have to set up an equation, but this time we're gonna set up a proportion. Danielle earns a 7.25% commission on everything she sells at the electronics store where she works. She also earns a base salary of $750 per week. So no matter what, she gets $750. What were her sales last week if her total earnings for the week were $1,076.25? Okay, so I'm thinking that this includes the $750 per week plus the commission. So the first thing I have to do is get rid of the $750 so I can figure out what her sales were. Okay, so I would take, this is the same paper I was using earlier, but I would take the $1,076.25 and I would subtract the $750 because that is going to give me her commission. So again, I wouldn't use a calculator with the kids, but you all don't want to watch while I do the basic math. So that gives me $326.25. So now I know what her commission is. And now I would have the kids look back at their notes because again, I'm trying really hard to teach them to use the tools they have at their disposal because their teacher won't always be with them. But by the way, they can email me anytime and I'd be happy to help work out or set up an equation by email. Excuse me. So this time we know percent and we know dollars. So we would use what we know with percent and dollars to set up our proportion. So we know that she gets 7.25% commission, and we know that the total commission would be, or the total sales would be 100%. Then over here, we know that her 7.25% commission is now this number here that we just subtracted. So our 7.25% commission is $326.25, and I'm going to put those on the same line because they go together. 7.25% of the commission is $326.25, or of this total sales is her commission, $326.25. And then what I don't know is how much 100% is. So since I don't know how much the total sales or 100% is, I'm gonna put like whatever letter I want, but I'm just gonna use S for sales. Now I have to cross multiply. So I'm gonna take 7.25S equals 326.25 times 100. I'm multiplying these together, multiplying these together. Okay, 7.25S equals 326.25 times 100. So I am going to go over 2 decimal places, 326.25, because if I'm multiplying by 100, I can do that. I can either add 2 zeros if I don't have a decimal, but since I do have a decimal, I can just go over 2 decimal places. So I'm going to take 7.25S and 326.25, or 32,625, and now I'm going to divide to get S by itself. Again, using a calculator so you don't have to watch a massively long video. 5 divided by gives me 4,500. So her original sales were 4,500. So this is the second way I can solve these sorts of problems where I have a total. I can set up a proportion, cross multiply. Remember, the first way is I can kind of find the 120% of it or whatever it was and do it that way. I hope this helps. Hope you're having a great day. Bye.